All I'm saying.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. This is our first load of stuff getting hauled to the camper. There's my woman and my boy. Look at all this. Insanity. How we're gonna fit all this stuff, no clue. But we're gonna do it by faith. Does that make sense? All this stuff is gonna fit. Yes, it will. In Jesus' mighty name, it will fit. That's right. We may have to anchor stuff to the roof of the camper, but it's all gonna work, you see. And this is just our first load. We still got more stuff, but this is the majority, so we're all good. Any thoughts?
Let's just donate it all.
Negative.
All of it.
All right. Thoughts, Evan? Man, I can't see you, dude.
Come around.
It's the Millennium Falcon.
Come around.
Oh, there he is. What do you think?
I think we should bring more toys.
Louder.
We should bring more toys.
Oh, that's a no-no. All right, we're out.
Hey guys, welcome back to Guti Adventures. We are 5 days away from taking off, and just as you saw, we have been packing and doing all kinds of things, having a blast. We are buttoning everything down before we leave. We've done quite a bit of things, but we've still got quite a bit of things to get done as well. Behind me, you'll see some of our boxes that you saw earlier in the video. We love organizing things. Lee and I are a great team when it comes to that. I love to create the organizational things, and then he just takes it to a whole nother level. As you can see, there are QR codes. If you scan one of these, it tells you exactly what's in the box, which is gonna be great. We're also using the remainder of our garage for the things that are upstairs that remain, our dressers, one of our beds, different things like that. But we are not selling our property. That's actually been a question that we've been getting asked a lot. We are renting it. So we're not selling it. The hope is to come back, but who knows what the Lord has in store for our family. But stay tuned for other updates that we'll be posting in the coming days. Peace out, homies.